students. A very warm good morning to all of you, and once again you all welcome back to Standard 1. Children, this is my first video of this week, and in this video children, today I am going to teach you the new chapter. The chapter is here, chapter 20, and it is in page number 27, and the name of the chapter is here. In this chapter children, you all are going to learn about the add to get something different. It means you all are going to learn about the compound noun. Okay, so children, in this video you all will see how two different words, when you add together you will get a new words, and that has also a meaning. Okay, so let us start. Like, you should know about the compound noun. In this work you all are going to learn in the under the compound noun. Okay, so let us start. First, the definition of compound noun. A compound noun is a noun. It is a noun, and also you all know children what is noun. Noun is the name of person, place, animal or thing. So compound noun is also a noun that is made with two or more words. Yes, in this you all will see a the compound noun will contains two or more words that joins together to make a single noun. Like, it can be formed in several ways, which is one reason why writing these words can be tricky. Yes, when you will add these two different words, you all will get a new word, and also the new words has also meaning. So let us start. Let us see the example of compound noun. Like, first you can see this is the picture of bedroom, and in bedroom the spelling of bedroom is here bedroom, bedroom. In bedroom it has also formed by the two words like bed plus room. You can see here bed plus room. Bed, spelling of bed B-E-D, bed plus room, R-O-O-M, room. Bed. About bed children, a bed is a piece of furniture which is used as a place to sleep, relax or engage. And room is a space enclosed within the number of walls to which entry is possible only by a door. So bed is a different word and room is a different word, but when you add together you will get a new word, that is your bedroom. And about the bedroom is our primary place of relaxation, where we all just retire to take a good sleep and refresh. So you can see there is already you have seen the bed and room both are two another word, but when you are adding together you are getting one new word, and that has also a that has also a meaning. Okay, now after that you can see the second number example, like about football. This is a picture of football, and about the football children, football has also formed by the two words like first foot plus ball. Foot, F-O-O-T, foot plus ball, B-A-L-L, ball. And about the football children, foot is a parts of body, and by the foot we can walk, run or stand. And ball is a things by which we play cricket or other outdoor games. But when you add together you will get a new word, that is your football. And football is also, and I have said children, a new word will come whenever you will add two words, and you will get the two new words that has also meaning. And new word is here football. And football is a game and they teaches us the importance of sportsmanship, unity, teamwork and so on. So football is also has meaning. Okay, now like you can see the third example, like newspaper. Here is the picture of newspaper. Newspaper is here, spelling of newspaper N-E-W-S, news plus paper. News, it means we get news from television, radio, and news that will be written on paper, that is your newspaper. Okay, so paper is a sheet and the news will be written on paper, on sheet, that is called newspaper. So news plus paper is equal to newspaper. News plus paper is equal to newspaper. Like same way, post plus office is post office, and post office is a public facility to provide mail services. Like here is a picture of post office, and it has also added with two words like post plus office, and it is equal to post office. And also post office is a public facility that provides mail services, including accepting of children. So now some more example we all will see by the pictures. Like see, this is a picture of honey plus comb. So children, you all know honey, we get honey from honeybee, and its flavor is very sweet, and we get honey from honeybee. And this is the picture of comb, and comb, you all know what is the uses of comb. We use comb to comb our hair, and it remove dust from our hairs. Okay children, but whenever you all will add together, that will be make honeycomb, and it has also a different meaning. And honeycomb combs are made from the beeswax, substances created by worker bees. Okay, so here is also there is two different word, honey comb. Whenever you all will add this two word, you will get a new word, that is your honey plus comb is equal to honeycomb. Okay children, now after that let's see the next example. Like see, this is here is the butter. Spelling of butter children, B-U-T-T-E-R, butter, B-U-T-T-E-R, butter, and F-L-Y, fly. Butter is a different word. Butter is a things that which we eat, and it is made of what? Milk. And fly is a type of insect. It is very small insect, but when you add butter plus fly, you will get a new word, that is called butterfly. B-U-T-T-E-R, butter, F-L-Y, fly. And children also know about the butterfly is a very beautiful insect. It also it fly in the sky, it moves sometime here to there on the flower, on the trees. Okay, so butterfly is a new word. So when here you also, when you are adding two different word, you all are getting a new word, and that has also a meaning. Okay, now some you can see them more here. Hand, here is the picture of hand. Spelling of hand, H-A-N-D, and hand spelling H-A-N-D, hand plus bag. There is a picture of bag, B-A-G, bag. And you all know about the hand. This is the parts of our body. It is our body parts, and in hands there are 5 fingers in our hand. Okay, and when you join together two hands, you will get what total number of fingers will be 10. And but this is the picture of hand, and plus I am saying here bag. Bag is also of things which we carry. We can carry very easily, and we can keep many things in this bag also. So there is two different word, hand plus bag. But when you will add together, you will get a new bag, that is called here what? Handbag. And this is the picture of handbag, H-A-N-D, hand, B-A-G, bag. And also it has different meaning. It has also a meaning. Handbags, bags are not only used for style purpose, but are also useful in carrying daily items. Okay, so this is the picture of handbags, and it is formed by the two new words. First one is hand, and second word is here bag. Hand plus bag is equal to handbag, and that has what? Women carry this bag, and they can keep many things like mobile, purse, money. They keep everything in this bag, handbags. Understood? Now after that, here is you just see here is two pictures. First is here fire. Spelling of fire, F-I-R-E, fire. And here is the picture of man, M-A-N-E, man. But whenever you will add together, you will get a new word, that is your fireman. It is also called a firefighter. And about the fire children, fire has been used by the human in different different works like for cooking, okay, generating hits and so on. Man, you all know children, masculine gender, man will come in masculine gender. So fire plus, when you will add fire plus and man, you will get a new word that is called fireman. He is also known as firefighter. And about this, fireman is highly skilled man who works in to combat fire. They also take step to prevent fire. So which is the new word? New word is here fireman, F-I-R-E, fire, M-A-N, man. Now after that, you just see here is the picture of first foot. Just now I have spoken about the foot plus ball. Here it will be make a new word that is your football. Foot is the parts of body and ball which you in the things which you play, like you play cricket and another outdoor games. But when you will add, you will get a new word that is your football. Okay, so and that has also a meaning. So now next after that, rain. About the rain plus coat. Spelling of rain, R-A-I-N, R-A-I-N, rain plus coat, C-O-A-T, C-O. Again I am saying R-A-I-N, rain plus C-O-A-T, coat, raincoat. Whenever you will add together, you will get a new word that is your raincoat, R-A-I-N, rain, C-O-A-T, coat. Children, here is also two words. First word is here rain, and about the rain is the key element in the earth and water cycle which is vital to all life on earth. And coat is a type of cloth. Here is the picture of coat. Coat is also a type of cloth which is used by the gents and they look handsome when they wear. Okay children, so coat, and whenever you will add with these two words, rain plus coat, it will make a new word that is your raincoat. And also about the raincoat children, raincoat and raincoat protect our body from getting wet during the rainy day. So every word have different meaning, but whenever you will add these two words, you will get a new word and that has also a different meaning, that has also a meaning. Okay, about like raincoat, rain plus coat is equal to raincoat. Now after that, now next one is here is the picture of star. Spelling of star, S-T-A-R, S-T-A-R, star plus fish, F-I-S-H, fish. Whenever you will join these two words, you will get a new word that is your starfish, starfish. About star children, star, it twinkles at night, and fish, it is a aquatic animal, it lives in water. And when you will add these two words, you will get a new word that is your starfish. And also starfish, a type of fish known as sea stars, are not really fish despite the name being given to them. Okay children, now so these are the example. Like after that, here is the picture of sea is very big water place. Okay, here you will see the lots of water. And horse, you all know, here is horse is a domestic animal, but whenever you will add with sea plus horse, you will get a new word that is your seahorse. Seahorse, here is the picture of seahorse, S-E-A-C-H-O-R-S-E, seahorse. And about the seahorse children, seahorses are teeny fish. The name of seahorses is given because of the shape of the head which looks like the head of teeny horse. The shape of the heads, it look like a teeny horse, that's why it is known as the seahorse. Okay children, so this is the picture of seahorse. And how you will get the seahorse word, whenever you will add sea plus horse, you will get the seahorse. Understood? So these are the example of compound noun children. Okay, and with hope you all have understood. So let us start. You all will do the work related to this chapter. You all have to also join the both words in each row and write it what you are going to get. Like first is here egg, E-double-G, egg, P-L-A-N-T, plant. Whenever there is two word, egg is also your egg, it is in white in color. Okay, and plant is in green color. Okay, we should try to more and more plant we should Okay, so egg and plant. Egg plus plant is equal to eggplant, and eggplant is a type of vegetable. It is also known as brinjal, and this color is in purple color, and it has crown on its head. So eggplant is, another name of eggplant is here brinjal, brinjal, brinjal. So eggplant, it comes from egg plus plant is equal to eggplant. Now after that, sunglass, sun sun, sun, and glass, glass. Sun is another word and glass is another word, but whenever you will add together, you will get a new word, that is your sunglass. This is a picture of sunglass, and we use sunglass whenever sun is both sun is very hot in summer. You are not able to see and you are not able to walk in the sun, so where you can use the sunglass to, it will protect you from sunlight. Okay, so here is a picture of sunglass. Now after that, here is a peanuts, pea plus nut. Pea, you all know children, pea is a type of vegetable. Okay, and nuts also you know, but whenever you will add, you all will add together, it will be make a new word, that is your peanuts. And that also peanuts, this is a picture of peanuts, or also you can say the groundnuts. Okay, now after that, here is a carpet. Car, you all know children, car has 4 wheels. Okay, car has 4 wheels, it runs on road. Okay, and pet, where pet is a name of animal, pet at home, we also call the pet name. Okay, like dog, cat are the pets animals. So but when you will add with together, car or pet, whenever you will add together, you will get a new word, that is your carpet. And carpet is the things which you can spread on floor. Okay, it will look nice, and also you can sit on it. Okay, so car plus pet, you will get the carpet, and carpet is a different word. Okay children, now after that, rain plus bow, you will get the rainbow, and rainbow has 7 colors. Okay, so rainbow has 7 colors, it comes after the rains, it will be so visible after the rains. Okay, now after that, cupboard, cup plus board is equal to cupboard. In cupboard we keep many things like clothes, we keep the decorative things we keep. So this is the picture of cupboard. How do you get the cupboard word? Whenever you will add with cup plus board, you will get a new word, that is your cupboard. Okay, now after that, key plus board. Key is a things which you use to lock your door, and board, whenever you will add key plus board, you will get a new word, that is your keyboard. And also you all know children about the keyboard. Keyboard is the part of the computer, and it has many key. Okay children, you can type the numbers, letter, words by the help of keyboards. Understood? So here you all can see, I am adding here 2 words, different word, then after you are getting a new word, like sun plus flower. Flower and sun, whenever you will add, you will get a new word, that is your sunflower. Okay, it is in yellow in colors, and it moves towards the sun. Okay, now so children, these are the word that you all have to do. You all will add these 2 different words, and you will get a new word, and also try to learn it. So children, whatever I have explained in this video, you all have understood very nicely with hope. I am just saying, and once again I am saying to you all, thank you for watching this video till end. And this video, it will be helpful to complete your homework on time on. Okay, so for at last, I am saying children, thank you for watching this video till end. So for today, I would like to say you thank you and have a good day.